South Wales, WesTrac supports two key sets of mining customers. We have coal miners largely here in the Hunter Valley, and then we have hard rock underground miners who are largely based in our western region. Bloomfields is one of our largest local customers here in New South Wales, largely a family-run business.
We predominantly use Caterpillar parts, new and reman. We have tried non-genuine in the past, but we keep coming back because time and time again, it proves itself. That's where the money is better spent. We get better life, we get better value and better support out of the OEM genuine parts.
We have all our own iron, so we're able to push the components further, create strategies to get the most life and the best cost per hour out of all of our components.
Caterpillar products are embedded in our business. The benefits we see is every day. It's not a one-off, it's the consistency is the key that gets our benefit.
Availability is definitely number one. When machines have downtime, that's obviously costing customers money and they're not pulling coal out of the ground. So our pool of inventory needs to be healthy and turning, but it also needs to be available when customers need it.
OceanaGold is a fairly big customer with a large fleet. Productivity is very important for them, and for that reason they need the right part in the right time.
We're New Zealand's biggest gold mine, and in order to achieve what we want to achieve here, we run a fleet of some of the biggest equipment. Majority of that equipment is Caterpillar gear.
Caterpillar parts are designed to make sure the machine or component it is being fitted to is going to get the best life for that customer.
The advantages of using genuine Caterpillar parts is definitely the quality, availability, and the support that we get from the warranty.
The benefits of the Caterpillar genuine parts, whether they're new or reman, has been a part that's actually designed to do the work.
It's the quality of the parts, it's the quality of the Cat reman, it's the quality of the dealerships that are around the world that support that equipment, and it's the quality of the people that work within those dealerships and work with the customer to build good relationships that keep them coming back.